AFP has the largest fact-checking team in the world. We put our heads together to create a global training program to help journalists and future journalists to identify misinformation and work more safely and efficiently online.
We carry out boot camps for newsrooms, universities, and press clubs from Kenya to Argentina, Chile, or Hong Kong, like this one in Bangkok.
We make award-winning videos in several languages,
sharing the latest examples of how we tackled false information, like this video looking at AI-generated content in the US election campaign.
We also make short online courses for busy journalists
and regularly update them with the latest tools our teams are using to sharpen their reporting skills. We give exercises and examples on topics like health, climate, or elections, where misinformation is rife.
Come learn with us. Click here to find out more.